Okay, I'm at 15991 West Moreland in Goodyear, and I'm going to approach the property. And as I come towards the front of the property, I want to let you know that this property really close to the I-10 and shops and restaurants, so nice location. You can get to where you need to go. And as I approach this house and come in, well, here's the front room. Front room's really big, and if you look at it, you can see just how much space you have. Well, now we're going to go in through the kitchen, and you'll be able to see this kitchen here, the size of it, and how it kind of opens up to the rest of this front area, including this living room here. And you can see this does come with the fridge. We're going to go ahead and walk through this living room. You can take a look at it from this angle. Also, take a look at it from this angle as well. Now we're going to go into the backyard, and as we go into the backyard, you'll notice it's got a nice covered patio here, a decent sized area where you can grill, and then you have an open area here that is the backyard. You can kind of see that as well. Well, let's go back in. We'll go ahead and go through the living area, the front part of the property, and we'll take a look at the rest of the house. So we're going to go ahead here, and this is bedroom A. Before we go in bedroom A, we're going to go into the laundry area. Washer dryer does come with the property, and we're going to take a look at the garage. Okay, take a look at the garage. Nice two-car garage here. And now we're going to come back into the property and take a look at the bedroom area. Okay, here we are, bedroom A. We'll take a look at it here. And I'll go in here. You notice the nice fresh carpet and the paint too as well. And we'll take a look at it from that angle. And now we're going to go into bedroom B. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the guest bathroom. And you'll notice it's a full-size bathroom here. And now we will go into bedroom B. Taking a look at bedroom B from this angle. And we will take a look at bedroom B from that angle. Okay, now let's go into the primary bedroom. You'll notice the same thing. Nice fresh carpet here, nice fresh paint, very spacious area as well. We'll take a look at it as it opens up to the primary bathroom and the closet here. Take a look inside the closet real quickly, and you can see the size of the closet. Well, go ahead and you'll notice it does have a nice tile here and a nice a tall shower, if you will, and that's the primary bathroom. I'll go back into the primary bedroom, and as I do this, want to let you know if you're interested in this property, you can go to rpmphoenixvalley.com. That's rpmphoenixvalley.com, and I thank you for following along with me on the tour and wish you a great day wherever you may be.